Hi, I'm Asha.
And I'm Matt.
And we're from Premier Property Management Group. Today we're here at this lovely Germantown property, 2300 Lancashire. This home offers over 2,600 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and did I mention it's newly renovated? Matthew, tell us about the renovations.
On the outside property, we replaced all the siding and trim and painted it, installed new shutters, did all new landscaping, and fenced in the backyard, and we replaced sections of the driveway. Now let's go inside and take a look at the rest. On the inside of the home, we painted the walls, trim, doors, and ceilings. It offers a formal living room, dining room, and a den. We installed premium vinyl plank flooring downstairs, refinished the existing hardwood floors upstairs, and installed carpet in the downstairs bedroom. The bathrooms got a complete makeover with new vanity, cabinet combos, and tub surrounds. There's an added bonus room upstairs, perfect for a playroom or a man cave. The kitchen, we installed new countertops, painted the cabinets, and comes equipped with new appliances.
If you're interested in renting this lovely home or viewing any of our other available properties, visit our website, premierpropertymemphis.com.
We can't wait to welcome you to the Premier family.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys.